Welcome back to Advanced Skills Learning. Today's topic is RAG prompt engineering that actually works. The practical way to reduce hallucinations and get grounded, enterprise-quality answers using a simple 3-prompt system. RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, works like this. A user asks a question, your system retrieves the most relevant chunks from your documents, and the model generates an answer based on those chunks. The promise is simple. You move from model memory to document-backed answers. But RAG only works well when the model is forced to use evidence correctly. Here's why RAG still fails in real projects. Sometimes retrieval brings incomplete or off-topic context. Sometimes it brings conflicting snippets. And sometimes the model blends what it sees with general knowledge and produces a confident but wrong answer. Prompt engineering is where you set the rules of engagement. What content is allowed, how the answer must be structured, and what the model should do when evidence is missing. In production, one prompt is rarely enough. We typically separate the workflow into 3 prompts: query rewrite, retrieval instruction, and answer synthesis. Each prompt has a distinct purpose, and this separation is one of the fastest ways to improve accuracy without changing your embeddings or vector database. Quick check. 2 seconds. Which prompt usually improves retrieval quality the most? A. Answer synthesis. B. Query rewrite. C. UI formatting. Keep your guess in mind. The answer is B. Query rewrite. Query rewrite is where you convert messy user language into a retrieval-friendly query. Users often ask story-style questions with extra details. The rewrite prompt extracts intent, keeps important product terms, expands acronyms, adds synonyms, and applies constraints like system name, environment, date range, or group. This single step often fixes the garbage in, garbage out problem at the retrieval layer. Next is retrieval instruction. This is your engineering judgment encoded as policy. Decide which sources matter more. Runbooks and official docs may rank higher than ad hoc chat logs. Set top K. Encourage diversity so you don't retrieve 10 near duplicates, and decide when recency matters. Retrieval instruction is about choosing the best evidence, not just the closest embedding match. Now the most important part, answer synthesis. This prompt is where hallucinations usually die, if you write it correctly. The synthesis prompt should enforce: use only the provided context, cite the chunk or source you used, and if the answer isn't in the context, say it's not found and ask a focused follow-up question. That rule alone changes the model's behavior from always answer to answer only with evidence. A practical synthesis pattern is: first restate the answer in 1 sentence, then provide 2 or 3 supporting bullets, and attach simple citations or chunk IDs at the end of each bullet. If your audience is technical, you can add a short assumptions line. The goal is consistency. Your viewers and your users should recognize the same reliable structure every time. To make this repeatable, use a golden prompt template with a clear structure: role, rules, context, task, and output format. Role sets tone and domain. Rules are non-negotiable: grounding, citations, and safe behavior. Context must be clearly delimited so the model knows what is evidence. Task states exactly what to do. Output format keeps responses consistent: bullets or JSON, whichever your app needs. Now let's define professional behavior for missing or conflicting context. If the context is missing, the assistant should not guess, it should ask one targeted question that unlocks retrieval. If the context conflicts, it should call out the conflict and ask which source is authoritative. And if the request is outside your data, it should state the limitation clearly. This is how you build trust in enterprise settings. Next is the biggest risk in RAG: prompt injection. Retrieved documents can contain malicious or irrelevant instructions like ignore your rules or reveal system prompts. Your model must treat retrieved text as untrusted input, data, not authority. System and developer rules must always override anything inside retrieved content, and the assistant should never reveal secrets, credentials, hidden prompts, or internal policies that aren't meant for output. Quick check. 2 seconds. Should the model follow instructions found inside retrieved documents? A. Yes. B. Sometimes. C. No. Keep your guess. The answer is C. No, documents are untrusted data, and system rules always win. Key takeaways. First, use 3 prompts: rewrite, retrieval instruction, and synthesis. Second, enforce context only plus citations, and allow a clean, not found, response with a follow-up question. Third, treat retrieved content as untrusted input and defend against injection. And fourth, measure groundedness and citation accuracy so improvements are real, not subjective. Finally, don't ship RAG without measurement. Evaluate groundedness, citation correctness, and refusal quality. The process improves through controlled feedback, not luck. Thanks for watching Advanced Skills Learning. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe for more GenAI explainers, practical architecture patterns, and quick quizzes to test your understanding.